Right, so today we're trying something new. Rather than use my own bike, me and Freddie are going to go to Halfords, and he's going to take me on the back of his Hyosung GV125S. So you got two men that weigh somewhere between 80 and 90 kilos each on the back of a 125. So this should be fun. Ooh.
Right, ready?
Yeah, you go. I'll walk it to the road. I could just use my own bike, but where's the fun in that? Two heavily geared dudes. No, you want to go that way. Two heavily geared dudes on the Hyosung 125.
Oh, sorry, James, got down here.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I have to, there's not much room. Oh my god, I'm so far back on this seat.
Which way?
Huh?
Which way?
Right. Mate, I'm so far back on this seat. He's letting you go.
Yeah, I know.
Just two dudes. So when you get to the crossroads, you want to go left.
Right, okay.
I'll tell you when. I'll tell you what, it cruises alright though. I don't know if the camera can see anything. I think it's this right.
This right?
Yeah, this right.
Mate, this is horrible. Oh, fucking speed bump.
Oh no. Oh! This rear seat's so uncomfortable. This is fucking horrid. Oh my god.
My time bottom belt.
I've got piles. Keep going. Whoa.
What are you fucking doing, you moron?
Jesus Christ. At least he said sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, it wouldn't have mattered much if we'd have crashed, but... Yeah, you want to go right there where the car is.
Right, okay.
Oh. I feel like I've been fingered. Oh yeah. Feeling the wind in my non-existent hair because I've got a helmet on. Ugh. Sorry.
This is horrible.
Oh. Oh my days. My arsehole has crawled inside of me. Just go. How far is that? Oh, you just park it here. Okay. Owie! Oh no. Oh, that is horrible. Fuck. My arse is in bits. How does Amy do that for so long? Holy shit. My arse is in tatters.
At least the bike survived. We didn't.
Well, I'm going to say the bike almost didn't survive.
How did he not see me and...
I swear he looked at us before pulling out. Right, we made it. We bought some stuff. It's now time for the journey back. You ready?
Yep.
Right, hold on. Here. Yeah. Right, go. Oh, I got piles again. You kicking my boot? Oh no, where's he? He's turning right. my god, my arsehole's in bits. Oh! I think you broke my cervix. I don't have a cervix, but I think it's broken. Oh no. I never thought I'd have to clench my arse cheeks while I'm with another man. Fuck's sake. Why did we decide to do this? This was stupid. He on time right here. And people do speed up and down this road, so he's letting you go. I don't know. I reckon I'm probably feeling it more than you though. Ow. Why did you tighten the suspension, you wanker? Ow. Thank you. Ow. Oh. Ah. Ah. This is fucking sucks. Oh. You want to turn left here where that car's going? Ah. Ah. My asshole hurts. Okay. Oh. Oh. Fuck off. No. Your ass was hanging off. Daddy's got piles.